Greetings, welcome to my content. My name's Lars. I just thought I'd give everyone a brief overview and sort of give you a basic introduction to what it is that I'm doing. If you've seen any of my videos, you'll see that I'm sort of just doing my thing, getting deeper into it. You know, it's like if you've been doing music for some time, you know, it's a little bit tedious to get into the basic chords and to explain the basics and perhaps teach some fundamental music materials. Like, no, you just want to play the music and get deeper into it. So that's what I'm doing most of the time. I'm exploring some things that are happening on a more subtle, more refined level of the human experience. And sometimes I don't always have the words to express that, but I do try, and I draw on as much useful material that I can in the way of anatomy, physiology, and a little bit deeper metaphysics principles as well as electrical theory. How our body is using electric and magnetic energies, specifically to do with our lower Dantian energy field, that when we're in the womb, before we're born, in the very late stage of digestion, in the very late stage of gestation, that energy field and that physiological function is at 100%. We have a etherico-physical organ down here that couples to a non-physical energy field. It's a physical organ that contracts and expands through waves of muscular contraction and expansion that happens in here. And when people get to a deep level of meditation, you can see this somatic breathing start to happen, and it looks pretty cool. And it's even more cool if you're able to get it into it yourself. So that's what I hope to do. I hope to do as much demonstration from as many angles as possible, so people can see these physiological things starting to happen. There's always a little bit of caution that's advised with Qigong, because we're reactivating this energy field that we haven't used it for some time. And generally, in most cases, this is a primordial energy field that is designed to carry through our DNA and our genetic material, and to give us a boost, to boost us into growth in the early stages. Just like a seed or an egg, it has a certain amount of nutrients and vital energy field to give it a boost. So that's generally how it works in most human beings. With Qigong, we aim to re-engage with that. We aim to redevelop this organ down here and recouple it with the non-physical energy field, and also use it a little bit like an electric generator to power up our energy field back up to 100%. And during this stage, if there are any underlying psychological issues or emotional issues, these things are going to come to the surface, because you have more energy. It's going to amplify whatever's going on. So there's always a little bit of caution advised with Qigong. It's good if you can learn from someone. And as I say, I've been doing Tai Chi since I was 16, and I had quite a good foundation with basic Qigong mechanics in the body before I started this reactivating my lower energy field here, and reconnecting it with the breathing and experiencing this somatic experience. There's a few health products that I take that I feel so there are some rumors out there, you know, and I always look to investigate, and if the chance of, you know, something going wrong is very low, then I'll always give it a go. And if I can see positive feedback from you know, from various products, definitely I'm going to give them a go. So I've got some products here I'm giving them a go because this should be having a affinity for my nervous system, and this is what we're working with in Qigong. One of the main ones, one of the main systems of the body that we're working with is the nervous system. So we want to make it more conductive. So one of the products I'm taking is Pacifica Pure Ormus, also known as orbitally rearranged monatomic elements or monatomic gold. This is extracted from a mixture of Dead Sea salt and salt from the New Zealand Sea. So in these salt molecules, we've got some precious metals and elements that are suspended in there, very much like gold, silver, iridium, platinum, etc., that are very stable, highly conductive, and have an affinity for our nervous system as well. Another product I'm taking is this colloidal gold from Origin Health, which is 20 ppm. So for every 1 million water molecules, there's 20 nanoparticles of pure 24 karat gold in there. And also I'm taking some 10 ppm colloidal silver. So there are some rumors out there that, and I've done a lot of research and I keep coming across this. So generally it's only possible to build up our energy field back up to 100%, build up the function of the lower generator back up to 100%. However, to achieve certain skills, we need a surplus of energy so that we can use it for healing and various other applications. And for that, we need to be able to charge the energy field of the body up more so that we have a surplus. We want about 200% energy in our body. And definitely there's some caution with that. So I just thought I would give everyone a basic introduction. And I hope to make some high quality content so that we can see that there is a very clear effect. There is a human experience here that is happening on a subtle level, that we can kind of use language to explain the parameters that need to be set in place for that experience to unfold. But that's about the best we can do, So thank you for watching this video, and welcome to my channel, and I hope you continue. Thank you.